Hey guys, my name is Patrick, I'm key account consultant at debesto.com. Today we are at Voytech's house, our CEO. We'll be going through the house and reviewing all of the constructions that were installed here 5 years ago. We are in the living room now, and here we have 3 different windows. On the right side we have a Cortizo COR Vision Plus. Here we have a fixed window, not openable one. And here on the left side, my left side, we have another Cortizo COR Vision Plus. Cortizo COR Vision slider is a sliding door with a group of frameless sliders, as we call them. What is pretty remarkable, if we talk about them, is this very thin middle bar. It's only 25 millimeters wide, which is 1 inch. Very thin bar, right? And what is also pretty nice in this system is that it could be hidden even up to this level. Like entire frame from the left to the right could be hidden inside the elevation. When we were installing this window 5 years ago, that was a new product for us. So we didn't know that this part could be hidden. But now we know that can be done. Of course, we could do the same with the top frame. It could be hidden even up here to the edge of the frame. Here we got the handle, which is more like a lever. When it's in a down position, it's locked. Look, I'm trying to open it right now. It's not gonna move if the lever is pointing down. But when I move it like this, up to here, then we can slide the sash. What is also worth mentioning, we have a very nice grip from the top to the bottom. This part here, this kind of a fin, we can use it for grabbing, pushing, opening, closing very easily. At this slider, both of the sashes are operable. The right one and the left one. Look, we just need to use the lever. We can open this sash, and now I'm gonna do the same with the second one, so we can slide both of them. The glazing that we use here is tempered. That means it's very resistant for a hitting, for any kind of damage, I mean. For example, we can hit it, and it's not gonna break. I would need to use a lot of force to be able to break it. Maybe if I would have a hammer and I would hit a few times, then I could break it. But using a hand, it's impossible. We can adjust the accessibility to our own needs. For example, we can have this kind of lever only from inside. And at this construction, those levers are only from inside. From outside, there is not any kind of lever. Basically, when this construction is locked from inside, no one from outside is able to get inside, unless someone unlocks it. Then you can slide it from outside as well. But what else we could do? We could have a cylinder here, a key access, and we could install another handle like this. The only difference is that here on the bottom we would have the key access, the cylinder. So imagine that we have that kind of lever from both sides and key access from both sides. That's the other option. As you can see, also this construction is very safe and is very, very hard to break inside the house. We have 4 hooks from the top to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we use the lever, those hooks latch inside those small holes. As you can see, when I'm using the lever, those small hooks moves up and down. As you can see, we have a 4-point lock, we can call it.